The clock is ticking, and the world is waiting. A critical decision is about to unfold in New York, a decision that could change the course of one of the most talked about legal battles of our time. Will the judge throw out Donald Trump's criminal conviction, or will the charges stand? This week, all eyes are on the courtroom as the judge prepares to rule on a game-changing issue, whether a recent U.S. Supreme Court decision on presidential immunity will affect Trump's conviction in the hush money case. What does this mean for Trump? And what could this decision mean for the future of presidential power and accountability? Let's rewind. The hush money case began as a scandal that rocked the political world during Trump's campaign in 2016. A former adult film star allegedly received payments to keep quiet about an affair she had with Trump. The question that haunted many: was this an attempt to manipulate the election? Or was it simply a private matter? Fast forward to today, and the case has become a criminal trial with serious legal consequences. Trump was convicted, and it seemed like this was the end of the line for his legal troubles. But then, the U.S. Supreme Court made a landmark decision about presidential immunity that could change everything. Could this ruling be the key to overturning Trump's conviction? And what's at stake if the judge decides to toss the case out? Here's where it gets even more intriguing. The U.S. Supreme Court recently ruled on a key issue regarding presidential immunity: can a sitting president be shielded from certain legal actions? The implications of this ruling are vast, and now, it's up to the New York judge to decide whether this ruling applies to Trump's criminal conviction. The legal experts are divided. Some say the Supreme Court's decision could give Trump the legal cover he needs to have the charges dismissed. Others argue that the decision doesn't apply to the case at hand, especially since the charges stem from actions that occurred before he took office. So, which side will the judge fall on? The stakes couldn't be higher. If the judge rules in Trump's favor, it would not only be a major victory for him but also send shockwaves through the entire legal and political landscape. A dismissal could embolden Trump's supporters and set a powerful precedent for presidential immunity in the future. But if the judge upholds the conviction, it could signal a significant turning point. It would show that no one, regardless of status or position, can escape the law. The consequences would be far-reaching, both legally and politically. So, what's next? We're just days away from a decision that could reshape the legal landscape for Donald Trump and future presidents. Will the judge follow the Supreme Court's ruling and deliver a stunning blow to the case? Or will the conviction stand, signaling that no one is above the law? As the tension builds, one thing is certain: this ruling will have ripple effects far beyond this courtroom. Stay tuned, because the outcome is coming, and the political world will never be the same. What do you think will happen? Will the judge rule in Trump's favor? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.